Hey there, future Globetrotters. So you're planning your first trip and feeling a bit overwhelmed? Relax. I'm here to help you navigate the chaos and get you to your dream destination without losing your mind. Let's dive in. First things first, pick a destination. Sounds simple, right? But here's the trick. Start with your interests. Love history? Think Rome or Athens. Beach bum? How about Bali or the Maldives? Adventure seeker? New Zealand, baby. Narrow it down based on what excites you. Next, set a budget. I know, budgets are boring, but trust me, they're crucial. Determine how much you can comfortably spend on flights, accommodation, food, and activities. Pro tip, always add a little extra for unexpected expenses. Flights get delayed, and you might just need that extra gelato in Italy. Now let's talk flights. Use comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights to find the best deals. Be flexible with your dates and airports if possible. Sometimes flying a day earlier or later can save you big bucks. And hey, consider layovers as mini adventures. You get to explore another city on your way. Accommodation? Oh boy. From luxury hotels to cozy Airbnbs, the choices are endless. Do your research, read reviews, and check the location. You don't want to end up miles away from everything. And remember, sometimes a little splurge on a nice place can make your trip extra special. Now the fun part, planning your itinerary. Make a list of must-see attractions and activities. But don't overdo it. Leave some free time for spontaneous adventures or just relaxing. Use apps like Google Maps to plan out your days and avoid backtracking. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Packing the eternal struggle. Here's my golden rule. Pack light. You don't need 10 pairs of shoes, I promise. Stick to versatile pieces and layer up. And don't forget the essentials. Passport, charger, and a good book for the flight. Oh, and a travel-sized first aid kit can be a lifesaver. Finally, embrace the journey. Things might not go as planned, and that's okay. Travel is about experiencing new things and making memories. So take a deep breath, smile, and enjoy the ride. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to planning the perfect trip without losing your mind. Happy travels! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow first-time travelers. See you next time!